Hi, if you are in a local business or you are in a brick and mortar business or you are in a physical store business where you want to reach the surrounding people, the people around the 5 kilometers or the 10 kilometers, where the people are searching for your product, and whenever they are searching for in this geographical area, they want to reach them. If they are searching in the Google and your business should be appear on the Google, how you can make the things? So it is possible actually if you go and search in the Google and there are some listing will become some business listing will become. So where people will be look for that and they will they will actually they will contact the business. I will show them the example how you can able to do that things. Let's dive into that. Okay, I will open the one thing. So let's open it. So if you are you are searching for, let's take you are searching for the organic store. Organic store. If you search here, and automatically there will be a search results will become there. So here the search results. If you see that this is like organic food stores, it will come the like reviews. This is all called reviews, and then it is all called the address, and then also the contact number, and it will also show the like open and closing the data and that. And it also shows the what are the features you are offering for in the in-store shopping or the store pickup or the delivery on that. These options will be show that. It's only show the nearby stores and that where the it is enabled actually. They also show the along with the who are like more getting the reviews, it will show that. So you can see that organic food cafe and the like reviews and the it's like it belongs to the category of the supermarket and the contact number, name store shopping and the pickup delivery option will be it will show that somebody wanted to buy the product and they will go for the delivery options and they can purchase from there. These are the things. It is also showing the map as well. If you click, for example, if you click here the you want to know the more details, automatically it will show you that where your location, your store will be located. Example, in this case, organic food and cafe will be located here and there. You can see that when when I move the cursor, automatically the address location in the right hand side here actually it changes. You can see that. And if I move to these sections, there is another will be shown on that. If I move to these sections, there is another locations in the map will be shown on that. And the people are searching for, it will also show you the where this store is located on that. So if you click on this organic food things, then it will show you the address. So like what are the services options they are providing on that? In-store options, in-store pickup and delivery on that. This also show the address as well, where actually address is located along with the so opening and the like closes on the 10 p.m. on that, and as well as the phone number. This is like when you see the people, if you 1,600 reviews will become that, it's make like this story is a good one. This is how like you are communicating with the people. As you are like any new customers or the even like nearby customers who are searching for the organic food, definitely they wanted to come here or they can buy from there. Here's another option is also there. You can see that there is a website option is there and directions and the same. People don't want to come to your store, they can just click on their this website. They can right click and you have to your website will be open that. They may be order through the online itself. They need not to come to the store. And if anything defects happens, they may be like they know that where your store location is there. When they wanted to complain it or return back that, definitely they can do that because they already found that your store is there in a particular location. It's become the more reliable for the customers who are really doing for the purchases that from the physical store. Yes, I can replace or like when any issues is comes on that they can actually I can contact the store on that, and they also save the time on the like going to the stores and purchasing the things on that. So this is how like you can enable it from the Google. I will also show you that how it can be enabled. We will see to that. So now organic store I type that. You can also see to the another thing like say grocery stores. So okay, you can also like delivery. You can just say the stores in the stores actually. We have a different options. Here the searches will be appear depending upon the what keywords we are giving in the uh, in the when we are actually enabling the Google, it depend upon that actually. We are giving in the Google. It is only you want the stores actually. We can also give the example. I will show that you can give the there's a different option will be there where stores are for the sales or mall or store plain like these are the different options will be there. You will select the keyword. So it how like business will belong to the particular particular business. Okay, now I will jump to the how we can able to enable it in the uh, Google. Google. Let's take another. We will go to the simple example. I will show you that. That's I will type it Google my. Then there is a options. Okay, I will choose the different one. Let's go for the new other options. Let's see. Okay. One second. Just show you that we can also be possible. Now I think you can able to see my new screen. So here it is appearing there. So how it should be looking at that. So we'll go here. Let's we will, I will click on the then I will just log into that. Log in here. Then it will ask for these different options. So okay. Just sign up for the Google My Business. Okay. Then click here. Then I will start with the get started. So here this is, I'll just show you the organic food. Let's take that same example. Then automatically it will ask for the business category. I can tell this is a food. Automatically you will get a option food producer, food processing company, supplier, food product supplier. That I will select that. I'll click on the next. Then it will ask for the you want to location can visit and like the store and office. Yes, because we want to we can come to our office also. We can go for the different things. I will select here. So I will select the country. So I'm just searching for, and then select the address as well. Then go to the next. I will select the Dubai. Then go to the next. Here the locations it's showing that depending upon the which locations we want to enable it, we will drag it, or we also we can enable these things. Okay, so exact locations we will mark it, and then we go for the next. This we should be make sure that okay we are clicking on the right to the our locations, because so Google will be sent to the unique code through the postals. They will send to our address. Then we can using that code we have to enable it. So that we will make sure that here whatever the address we are giving, the map also we are mentioning should be the correct. So we will click on the next. Then also serve the customer outside of these locations. If you are doing it online and we are doing the delivery, we can say that yes, we are also serving outside of the location. I'm basically like telling about in terms of the physical local business is concerned. If you're doing the online business as well, we can show that. We can show that no, I don't like you can I will like depend upon that your business. You can select the option. Next, add the service areas. You can add here the service area like in Dubai, as I told, and we can move on to the next. Then we can give the contact number here, contact website URL if you have, or like we will get a free website. That we can do that. If you select in the free website, there is options it will show you that how you will also get the free website for looking that. So depend upon the information which we are given, also the images we are uploading that, it will show you the website. It is simple, very the normal website. It shows that it will appear. Let's move on next actually. Now it will show the verified. You have been verified, so like it will send it to the address. This address it is sending that, and also it will send us the code. There's a so we can enable the business servers, which are the days we want to doing the business. We can enable it Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. So that we will select to the next, and we also valid time. You can also mention the time in which we want to enable it. For example, we can enable it to be 9 to 10 a.m. to per se it's like 6:30 p.m. like that. 6:30 like 4:30 like it will depend. Whenever we enable it, we will ask it will show us still like on whichever standard you can do that. Then we click on the next. So here adding the messages, this is a new feature Google is coming up with that. Either we can enable it, just we can click on the next button. So then add the business descriptions. Now look at what are the organic foods we are providing. Let's take we are providing the organic food. So what are the things we are providing there? The organic food. So what is the organic food? What are the things we are providing? Is it like coconut oil we are providing millets. We are providing like all the things which we are providing. We can just mention that. So organic food which we are providing, maybe the like rice, wheat, all the things which is, or maybe like so different things which we can mention that. We can click on the next. Then we can upload the photo. So here photo is I think you remember that when we are searching for the Google My Business, when we are searching for, there are the images which is appeared there. So whatever the photo which we are uploading here will be appear there actually. It depends. We can create one images and then we can do that. When you are doing the initial stages, we can skip these steps as well. Now it is almost ready. So, and I will also show you that how it look like on website also. This is simply this look like this, where we are actually just completed the 55%. Okay, this is the way we can keep updated. And if you want to add the photos, we can do it here. You can also create the post here. If you want to want to update to the regularly. It is also, if we are doing regularly updations, it is possible whenever the customer can see that our images, that is possible. And there is also option to create ad. This is actually very good. Example, there are a couple of guys when even though you are listed on the Google and maybe go on the search results on the lower side, and where you wanted to come on the first searches itself, and there you can run this ads. If you had observed when your old example, there is in the first position, there is an ad is running on that. So where it will bypass to all the other listings and it will show you on the first results. The cost is very minimum. It is not actually making a much cost in terms of the local ad is concerned, and you can create that. And then also like so these are the different profiles we want to update that. We can do that. We can download the Android through the Google My Business, and we can keep updating the things. Next, how it will appear on the maps. Let's we look into how it will appear on the map. So our stories appear look like this. This is I given as a name is organic food, but different name we can give that. And it also directions, which direction it is, and like we can say that nearby what are the places. It is also show that. If you click on that, if you want to share to the through the WhatsApp and other media, you can do that. So we can also add the phone number and the photos as well for this. That's we can if you come to the post, it's a regular post which we are doing that. For example, if you are running any offers in the weekend offers, we can create a post here. You can just click on the offer and offer title we can mention here, and then date in which it is happening and that, and then just click on the publish. Automatically it will be published. Then we go to the info. Info in the sense like these are the information which we are added there. So if you want to see the search result, just click on the search result. This is how search results will be appear there. Our store will be. As we are not actually updated or reviewed, but it look like this now. But in the later stages, it will look like all the things will appear as we have previously seen that. Now come back to the here. This we show that what are the timings the store is open, and then the store code and all this label we can enter that. So okay, this is a specific cover. We are running that. It's a phone number we can add that. Just we can click on the pencil icon and we can add that things. The products. What are the products which we are doing in the stores that we can add that. So here, so what product we are adding this this keywords will be appear on the Google search. Example, you are search for the coconut oil given that. Somebody is searching for the organic coconut oil or the coconut oil store nearby, then automatically your store will appear on that. So all the physical stores business like this you can enable it. Here order these are the keywords also like here also you can add it that organic food organic food store you can say that would be better word organic food store, or you can say coconut oil or the millets rice like this. So you can add that as many as product you have that you can add that opening date you can mention that, and the photo also you can mention that food ordering. So this is another option. It is showing that set up the food ordering buttons. Like we can set up these things online, so that when the people are want to order that it will appear there. This is a new option Google is coming up with that. We have to enable these things. Let's say here like customer is directly ordered from the Google. This we can activate it there. Okay, this is the insight. Insight in the sense how many people are coming, how many people are searching for this, how many people are searching the Google search, or how many on the Google map. All these things will be showing in the insight. Then come to the review. Review is where like people are giving the feedback, and some people are purchased from us and they given the feedback like very good all the things. I think you previously seen that there's 1,600 people will be given the review. It will be actually Google will be identify these reviews, and it's people who are like got the more reviews, and their searches will be automatically pushed upwards. So it is always preferred that you have to get the more review from the customers to be able to showcase your business further. So now it is a product photos you can add it, that logo you can add, and the cover. So the way it is appearing on that. If you wanted to show the interiors, if you remember, there is interiors is shown by the supermarket. How their interiors look like that. All these things you can do that. Even you want to like upload a video where your store experience is there, you can click here. Just click on their video and you can upload it. So then products, which you can actually say we already discussed product things. Now we go to the website. How the simple website will look depend upon the information we given here. I'm sure that this is how it looks like. This is a different theme option is there, which we can do that. This is how it is looking there. You can create a post on that. These images can be changed. This like we can edit this photo and we can replace this photo with another photo with belonging to their store. It is not looking like organic stores. We can change it. We can take the images and we can upload it here. It will look as as it is. The different themes option is there. You can select it. If you select a different theme, it will go on a different ways. Actually, it looks different. You can see here, and we can have edit options. So if you want to change the all these things, you can do that. Edit option is there anyway. And then the photos, if you want to add it, photos we can drag and drop that. And there is a settings also. If you want to name the site, like want to change the site name, all these things, option is there. Okay, this website is almost live actually. We can see that. Okay, this is how like website things will look like that. Okay. So this is how our free website will be look like that. We can now select. We can select here the website, and we can click on the open. This is how it will show that. So we want to see the website site. This is how it sees. This is how it appears in the overall. You can see that. This we can anyway we can change this thing as we discussed. It's the location. It will show that it's a business hours and the directions and the address as well. It is a one website is also for that. Like we want to add the new business, we can add it. Or the like create ad, we can create the local ad or link it to the existing ads. You can do that. And we want to change the settings and the different language other than this English. That is also possible. We go to the settings and we can do that. We can go to the settings and we can select the options as well, changing the language options. These are the things which you can do that. So here, like this is how like we will enable this our business to be online. This is how we will make sure that when people are searching for nearby near geographical area which your stores are there, you can able to read them. So the most of the cases now business are people are looking in the online purchases, and even like they are more they're actually more feel happy if their stores is there and they are offering the online business online, because whenever there is a concern or any defect which happens, they can contact the store and they can replace arise the issues. This is how we can take your business to the enable your business to the Google. You can get the benefit like this. Thank you.